Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine. Welcome in your English class. Student, today we are going to read ORC book page number 151 of story number 19, Lazy Bones Jones. JJ woke up with a start when he heard his name being called from different parts of the park. Oh my gosh, he exclaimed. As he looked around, he saw that it was dark. I shall have to get a move on, or I'll be in trouble. JJ climbed up the tree and began to break off branches. But this was not so easy because the branches were not dead at all. Under the brown surface, they were green. The shouts of JJ, Lazy Bones, where are you? Wake up, wake up, where are you? Got louder. JJ worked feverishly, pulling and tearing at the branches with all his might. This was hard work, and he did not like it, but neither did he want to slow the others that he had been completely idle. JJ jumped from the tree and hurriedly gathered the branches together in a bundle. Then he tucked the bundle under his arm and walked back towards the campsite. He found a large stack of sticks which had been collected by the others. Oof, he said loudly as he placed his bundle on the top of the stacks. Mr. Dogan had a few things to say to JJ about being late, but he was secretly quite pleased that JJ had actually collected quite a large bundle of wood. Dinner was ready and the children all ate well. They helped with the serving and the cleaning up afterwards. Then the company sat around the campfire and sung songs and played games. They have an early start tomorrow, announced Mr. Dogan, noticing that some of the children had begun to yawn. It will take us 15 minutes to get down to the lake. We should be there no later than 6:30. If we are late, we want to be able to see the animals. Those of you who are making the tea in the morning, make sure you start work early. After that, they all went off to their tents to sleep and to dream about the animals they would see in the morning. The children who were on tea duty were up at the crack of dawn. The others woke up too. Your homework is you have to read ORC book page number 151 to 154 and also memorize story 10, The Aged Bird, from your fair copy. Hope you understand. Good luck. Allah Hafiz.